If you've been wondering why your mixes doesn't translate, or you are struggling to know exactly what is going on with your production, analyzing the frequency, checking the stereo weight, or hitting that perfect loss level, then you need to stop what you are doing. Normally, you have to pay $199 for this kind of visual analysis, but right now, a renowned company is giving it away for free. This is Insight 2 by iZotope. I'm not going to bore you with a manual. Let me just show you why you need this on your master bus. Watch this. First, look at the spectrogram. You aren't just hearing the bass, you can see exactly where your kick and 808 are sitting. If your mix is muddy, this map will show you why instantly. Now check the sound field. Is your beat too wide? Is it mono-compatible? This tells you the truth that your room might be hiding. And finally, the loudness meter. If you want your beat to compete on Spotify or YouTube, you need to know your integrated loss. These two tracks it in real time, so you never have to guess again. If you want me to make an in-depth video on how to actually read these meters to fix a bad mix, let me know in the comments below. This is a limited time holiday giveaway, so grab it before it expires. And if you want more mind-blowing free plugins that will save you thousands of dollars and give you the same tool the pros use, watch the video on the screen right now. It is a playlist of all the best free plugins I've found so far on this channel. I believe you will find something interesting there, and feel free to let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.